Welcome to ADVHead. We've been using GPS devices for quite a while, and Garmin has always been our default choice. This Zuma has taken us to many beautiful places, and we truly love its adventure mode for on-road traveling and exploring. The Montana 610 has been our off-roading workhorse. Still going strong after 7 years of abuse, even after I dropped it off my bike while I was riding. My fault. Probably didn't attach it to the cradle properly. I gave it to my son now so he can ride with me. So the obvious choice was to go for the new Montana 700. The screen is bigger and quite a bit brighter, so to follow GPX tracks, it has been an absolutely brilliant device. But for everything else, I've had a pretty lousy experience. And maybe it's my fault. Maybe I don't know how to configure it properly. But that's part of the problem. We've grown used to a lot more intuitive devices these days, and I don't even think twice to grab my phone to search for a restaurant or a hotel, because the Garmin really sucks at that. It also has a tendency of shutting down mid-ride for no apparent reason, and we've been hearing that problem echoing all over the web. Ours doesn't even charge anymore, so we're done with it, and we're ready to step into the future of adventure motorcycle navigation. It all looks super neat, and full disclosure, Thork Racing did send us this equipment for free, but we reached out to them first because we've been dying to try their tablets for a while. The craziest thing is that you don't even need to own any of this gear to have access to the all-amazing DMD2 app. If you have an Android device with a GPS chip, you're all set to go and download the DMD2 app and just take off. But if you do buy one of these cool puppies, you're getting a lifetime DMD2 license with all future updates included. Initial setup was pretty intuitive, even for an Apple guy like myself. Didn't even need to reach out for any tutorials. Very easy to figure out on your own. The more I learn about it, the more amazed I am. It can search for gas stations, restaurants, and hotels along your current GPX route while giving you real-time feedback on how far you are from the next one and the following, so you can make the best decisions and just keep enjoying your ride. Having a GPX reader and roadbook reader with direct access to Google Maps, weather, traffic, and your own emails all on the same device, now that's what I call convenience. So stay tuned to our social media platforms as we will be sharing more details about our experience into this brave new world. I hope this interest spiked your curiosity, maybe even inspired you. So if your heart pumps in RPMs like mine does, don't forget to rev that like button, share, and subscribe. The roads, the mountains, the trails, they're all waiting for us, so I'll catch you on the next ride.